Facts, relevant facts, facts and issue. All of these sound same, but are not same. Today is day 5 of decoding the puzzles of law with me. Fact is any existing thing. If I say that I have a long straight hair, it is a fact. But if I say that I have long curly hair, then it is not a fact. Anything that is tangible, object of senses, feelings, or anything that is capable of being perceived through senses can be a fact. And they are divided into physical facts like weapon, psychological facts like mens rea. Now, a question for you all. Is every relevant fact a fact in issue? Think about it. The answer is no. Another question. Is every fact a relevant fact? Again, the answer is no. A fact can be a fact in issue when they are disputed between the parties. And these are the facts that are decided by the court. It is also called factum probendium. For example, A caused B's murder. अब A तो कह रहा है कि नहीं मैंने मर्डर नहीं किया, B की फैमिली कहती है हाँ उसने किया है. तो ये ऐसे फैक्ट्स हैं जो फैक्ट्स इन इश्यू में होता है, एक मानता है और दूसरा इनकार करता है. Whereas a relevant fact is any fact that is related to fact in issue. अब ऐसे facts जो हमको help करते हैं conclusion पे आने के लिए. These facts are not disputed directly but are related. It is also called factum probendi. अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल ए और बी की लड़ाई हुई थी बी की मौत से पहले. दिस इज अ रेलेवेंट फैक्ट. देयर कैन बी टू टाइप ऑफ रेलेवेंसीज. फर्स्ट, लॉजिकल रेलेवेंसी. Second, legal relevancy. The name suggests the meaning of these kind of relevancies. Day 6 में मेंस रिया क्या होता है वो समझेंगे.